I've been thinking about you and the way you make me feel. Like a woman's supposed to, and a man can keep it real. All the things we've been through, and that's why I love you still. So I gotta just be real and tell you what's the deal. What would I do, baby,
if you were to ever leave me?
where would I go, baby,
If you weren't here with me?
so baby, stay true to me.
And I will never doubt you.
I want you to know it's all about you. Cause I can't live without you.
Without you, baby, I just can't live without you.
I just can't live without you.
Without you, baby, I
can't live without you.
Without you, baby, I just can't live without you.
Just can't live without you.
Without you, baby, I just can't live without you. Can't live without you.
You're so special to me, that's why I love you so. There ain't no pressure on me, which gives us room to grow. You're everything that I need, that's why I let you know. With every vessel in me, I'll never let you go. What would I do, baby,
If you were to ever leave me?
where would I go, baby?
If you weren't here with me?
So baby, stay true to me. I want you to know it's all about you. I can't live without you. I just can't live without you. I can't live without you. No, just can't live without you. There's no reason to leave. No. 'Cause you're all that I need. Every breath that I breathe, I can't live without you. I can't live without you. So baby, stay here with me. With me. And promise you're gonna be here forever with me. With me. I can't live without you. I can't live without you. I just can't live without you. I can't live without you, baby. I just can't live without you. Just can't live without you.
Without you, baby, I just can't live without you.
I can't live without you.
Without you, baby, I just can't live without you. Can't live without you.
'Cause you're so special to me.